urumukuru w'ishomero rya Kakanju Vocational Secondary School erikushanga umugomboro ya Kakanju District ya Bushenyi yahayo office yo mutongore kandi yaba naho muri mirimo ya government bwanyuma yo kumara imyaka 35 mu buhereza kandi ahishomereri abire yamaraho imyaka 2 yonka. Mbugamba byo birara umukuru w'ishomero ebyaba bitari birungi yashobora ngo ishomereri rurungi ryo gukoramo ngo ahabo kuba buri muntu we no rwija hishomereri ngahedetsa abenarugaho kubi ekiyagira ngushana ryinemwe muzumu
so nanyekija ishomero narazamu ebikozere nibyebyo ebinde bire nibyebyo kokaha ntabaso kuba hari umuzumu
ahabwe Williams orukure byo bwegeso muri Bushenyi yashaba wakwasibwa office ya okurebeka ngo yakwatsa abashomesa ba government mukono gwe choma ngo ahabo kuba bamwe nibarebuka nkabino mutugumire.
Madam head teacher, you will have to study your staff. I know changes need to be gradual, not abrupt. There are some untouchables here.
Abantu ba Kakanju ishomereri mwamu tugira ngo hati n'ishomero ya government umuntu wa headmaster wa leta umuntu wowe kugira ngo umwana wanyu wa Kakanju mubara head teacher wa icyo mukiwe
Gamuba Ebo Old Chairman Board w'ishomero yashobora kwishomero ry'inamabanja mingi kandi ubwa hati ishomero ndabanje bwa sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 15.
Kakanju is a school inamabanja mingi. Some of them has been inherited from like 2000 and we are still pushing on with them. So agama banza navuga tubyo mu maraka
Chamani agarka yashobora ngo ishomero ry'inene tuzubuca school basa bwanyuma yo kwejumbira mu mushango wo kwiba ugwaritira tagaruka gukora imirimo ye.
Basa is alleged that he participated in killing someone. So now as we talk he's on run. I've never seen him since last year. Has not been in school. And you know what he does in school. Currently we have so many challenges.
We are operating without a budget. As I talk, I would have wished him to hand off a budget to the incoming, so that the incoming knows where to start from.
Ariyo twijuka Habat or Chairman PTA yashobora ngo abeje bishomereri babene batuntuza bo mu Nshonga z'immonano ekibire nkiretera beje bati no mu ishomero kandi yakomaho yagira ngo ishomereri ribintu rukwata ku besente za government.
Ngeno abazira babire doubt abana babo hati nitekatika gocho nacho byo kuba cyangwa umutwe yabo kandi abana Madam Mistress nitekatika ngo cyeshe cy'ibintu z'abana ha nibaza kwijura. Lakini Madam Mistress umishomero mu pinomuze go kushisha sente za public.
Mukuru w'ishomero yashobora amzumbijere ukubamwe abazire b'ishomero batarukunda kushashure bishare by'ishomero.
Poor culture of school fees payments. Abazira bamwe kwese gabashomesa bakabaha sente. Abamwe bakanga kushashura. Umwaka kawa we have them in this school. Madam
Nahamya Eric Kakuru yakwasa Rosemary Musimenta office kandogwa benargo mu ishomero rya Mwengura Secondary School nka deputy head teacher kandi yaraganza kwara kuza kwatanisa na management hamwe na Bushenyi local government ahabwo burunju bwa Kakanju.
I pledge my cooperation, I pledge my hard work, I pledge that at least we all come on board and we have our Kakanju move on. Thank you.
Amakuru gagasha kwa Olivia na Sasra ahabwa tayari West omuri Bushenyi.